Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. VIDIZMO DEM offers a customizable player template that offers you full control over videos and viewers' playback experience. With VIDIZMO's enriched player options, you can choose from a wide range of controls to optimize viewers' playback experience. VIDIZMO DEM's player templates allow law enforcement agencies to define their signature color theme and revolutionize their player for a tailor-made experience that caters to various departments. In this video, we will be looking at customizing player template in VIDIZMO DEM. You can create a customized player template by clicking on the hamburger icon on the left corner of the top menu bar and selecting Portal Settings under Admin on the menu. From the Portal Settings navigation pane, expand the Branding tab, and select Player Template. Here, you can choose to set any of the built-in available templates or add a new custom template as the default template for your player. Click on Add Player Template from the Player Template screen. Enter the title of the player template and choose the format of the evidence for which you wish to use this template, like audio or video. You can now see a list of options appear according to the file format you chose to create a template for, like playback behavior, action control, added insights, playback speed, seek forward, or seek backward. Preserve user settings allows you to control if settings selected by a particular user should be cached in their session and are replicated every time they playback any evidence in the portal. Autoplay will playback the evidence as soon as it is browsed via the web application, or any other page it has been embedded into. Loop enables you to decide whether evidence will keep playing in a loop once finished, or just once. Initialize with low bandwidth helps optimize data transfer for smoother playback. Muted allows you to mute your audiovisual content by default whenever it is played back until turned on by the user. Allow seek forward as a convenient way for a user to jump to a point in video evidence. This can be useful if a person is rewatching the evidence and they intend to skip to their desired part. Allow seek backward helps go back to a point in the evidence where you would like to revise a concept, reinforce a theory, or simply enjoy part of the video from that point onwards. Bookmark allows you to bookmark the link to the evidence asset in your browser for easy and convenient access. Full screen mode allows you to view the evidence in a full screen mode. Theater mode allows you to playback your evidence in a theater mode, where the video frame is expanded for an ideal experience while displaying other VIDIZMO navigation options. Comments integrated within allow users to view, add, modify, or delete them directly via the player. Annotations are an interactivity tool to enhance collaboration between officers and investigators. Annotations allow you to leave small notes, tags, or comments in the evidence intended to achieve a lot within a limited canvas of a video frame. It helps redirect the viewer's attention to a frame of the evidence and to focus on an object which would have otherwise gone unnoticed. Quality Selector allows users to select multiple quality renditions for the evidence to modify and optimize their viewing experiences per their needs. Closed captions allows viewers to toggle subtitles on and off in a video. Sharing allowing multiple controls to be incorporated into the player for quick sharing options via email, etc. Seek frame by frame helps processing experts and analyzers navigate through the evidence frame by frame and see its details. Face recognition data allows users to extract meaningful insights from the video evidence for further analysis, like facial data including their occurrences and respective description in video evidence. OCR data gives you further insights into textual data identified from within your video evidence. Speed is an action control that allows viewers to define the speed at which they want to play the evidence for added convenience. For every template, you can write custom CSS code to redesign your player from scratch. From the player's seek bar to the settings menu, everything in the player can be customized to suit your brand values and design standards. Enabling the check for default evidence template would set this template as your default player template. This means that from this point onward, every evidence uploaded in the portal shall have this template applied unless an alternative is selected by the user at the time of evidence upload, or while reconfiguring evidence settings. Once you're done customizing player template, click Save and Close to proceed, and a notification will be displayed stating, "Player template added successfully." Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO digital evidence management. Stay tuned until next time.